You work hard, but still you are not able to achieve what you want to do. But no problem. Today I will tell you the ways to become rich. So let's become rich together. But before start this video, please do subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. Number 1. Start keeping your purse full. Means whatever you earn, keep aside 10% of it in advance and spend your expenses from the remaining 90%, and if possible, try to save some of that 90% also. First of all, you have to learn how to keep your purse full. For this, you have to do a simple thing, like if you keep 10 coins in your purse, then spend only 9 of them and save 1. By making deposits like this, you will accumulate a lot of money, which you can later invest somewhere else and earn more money. Second, control your expenses. We should control our expenses. There are some expenses in our daily life which are not necessary, but still we waste a lot of money on them. So first of all, we have to make a list of our expenses and stop unnecessary expenses from it. Because most of the people spend more or less according to their income. But instead of doing this, you have to meet all your necessary expenses in minimum amount and save as much money as possible, and invest the remaining money in making it an asset. Third, increase your wealth. Saving money and controlling your expenses is the first step. But to become rich, you will have to put your saved money to work. You will have to invest your money in a good place so that you can keep getting rent or interest income. Invest your money in such a place that you get compound interest. Fourth, save your money from loss. Invest your income wisely in the right place. The world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, also says that this is the first rule of investment. Don't lose your money. And the second rule is that don't forget the first rule. Therefore, before investing, do your research and invest in such a place where your money will be safe and you will also get good income. And if possible, before investing, take advice from someone who has good knowledge about it. Fifth, turn your housing into a profitable investment. Every person must have his own house in which he can live with his family. If you have your own house, then it will give you many benefits. Your rent expenses is saved, which you can invest in some profitable plans. Also try to buy more than one property at a lower price and use it for rent. Sixth, determine future income. You cannot earn money by working hard all your life. You can work hard in your youth, but cannot work so hard in your old age. You have to ensure a fixed amount which will take you toward financial freedom. Everyone should think about their future and invest. For this, you can invest in real estate and any other good thing which will benefit you in future. Seventh, increase your earning knowledge. Improve yourself and increase your earning ability. The more you learn, the more money you will make. Therefore, focus on increasing skills like financial knowledge and find more than one way to earn money which will increases your income. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. And also please let me know in the comment section down below that which one of the advice you like the most in this video.